Good morning guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. It's Gav aka BEYTEK, and in this video we're going to be taking the RX-7 to the dyno. I'm really excited to get this thing on the dyno today, get some tuning done. I usually have an MOT on the car because the car's obviously still a road car, but it's run out of MOT thinking a couple of weeks ago, so I will get another one sorted. However, yes, we'll be taking it to the dyno today to test out the new cams, the new turbos, the small one, the big one, turn up the boost a bit, new coils, there's a lot of new parts on this thing, and we'll do some running pulls and get ready for Crail on Sunday. So we won't be doing anything massive with power wise, but it should be good fun to see whereabouts we're at with the new setup, and hopefully it stays together. The dyno I'm using today is the dyno at DH Automotive. It's down in Falkirk. He's got a 4-wheel drive dyno. I love his dyno. It's a state-of-the-art thing. It's really good airflow. It's a really good setup for tuning on as well. So Dave will probably drive the car and I'll just tune it on the laptop. And as a team, we'll make this bitch sing. So first pull in, just a bit of a partial pull to see what goes. Made 475 horse. As you can see, it starts making boost pressure at like 3000 RPM. So it's good, but it did hit boost cut and it seems to be boost creeping. So I need to try and figure out why. This pressure source here comes off the big turbo. So that's putting 0.6 of a bar on the top of this gate. So maybe if I take this off, that'll let the gate raise up and bypass the turbo so it doesn't keep spooling it. That would be an issue then. Nothing plugged in yet. I'll need to see now because I'm sure I still hear a bit of a tap.